Tips for extending the lifespan of your online UPS battery. Gravity Power Solution. Online Uninterruptible Power Supply (UPS) systems are crucial in preventing data loss and ensuring business continuity during power outages. However, their batteries have a finite lifespan and require regular maintenance to keep them functioning optimally. This video provides tips and best practices for extending the lifespan of your online UPS battery, ensuring maximum uptime and data protection. UPS battery. Battery maintenance. Business continuity. Data protection. Online UPS. Introduction. Welcome to our video on tips for extending the lifespan of your online UPS battery. In this video, we'll be outlining the best practices for maintaining your online UPS system's battery, maximizing its lifespan, and minimizing the risk of outages, data loss, and business interruptions. Every year, power outages, surges, and other electrical disturbances cost businesses billions of dollars in lost revenue, damaged equipment, and lost productivity. Online Uninterruptible Power Supply (UPS) systems are an effective solution for protecting businesses from these costly events. However, the batteries that power online UPS systems have a limited lifespan and require regular maintenance to ensure they operate optimally when they are needed most. In this video, we will provide tips for maintaining your UPS battery to extend its lifespan, maximize efficiency, and prevent downtime. Tips for extending the lifespan of your online UPS battery. Conduct regular battery tests. Regular battery tests can identify potential issues and prevent unexpected downtime. Conducting routine tests every 3 months can identify faulty cells and alert you before they fail and impact your system's uptime. Keep your battery clean. Dirt and debris can accumulate on batteries and prevent them from operating efficiently. Regularly cleaning the battery and area around it can extend its lifespan and prevent internal damage. Ensure proper airflow. Adequate airflow is vital for maintaining the temperature of your battery and preventing overheating. Make sure your battery is not obstructed, and that there is sufficient clearance around it for airflow. Implement a battery management system. A battery management system can help monitor and optimize your UPS battery's performance. Additionally, it can provide alerts when thresholds are exceeded, helping you identify potential issues before they impact your system's uptime. Replace batteries when necessary. No battery lasts forever, and knowing when to replace them is crucial. Talk to your suppliers or system provider for recommendations on when you should replace your online UPS's batteries. Thank you for watching our video on tips for extending the lifespan of your online UPS battery. By following these best practices, you can maximize your system's uptime, minimize the risk of data loss, and keep your business running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content.